Today we will see how can you do this photo manipulation in Photoshop. So let's start our today's video. First, create a new project in Photoshop, then import a background image in your canvas. Then go to Filter tab and then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Then import the orange image into the canvas. Then go to Select tab and select Subject. After selecting the subject, click on Ctrl J in keyboard to duplicate the selected part. Then delete the background image. Then change the name of the orange layer. Then select the orange layer and click Ctrl J in the keyboard to duplicate this layer, and then hide the underline layer. Then select the upper layer and then go to Image and then go to Adjustments and then select Desaturate. Then change the blending mode to Screen. Then create a levels adjustment layer and then adjust the levels until you get a transparent effect. Then select the orange layer and then create a layer mask. Then select the brush tool and then select a hard brush. Then keep the background color white and foreground color black and then erase the lower part and leaves of the orange. Then unhide the bottom orange layer, then click and hold Alt in the keyboard and then drag the layer mask from the upper layer and drop it to the underline layer. This will automatically copy the layer mask. Then select the underline layer mask and click Ctrl I in the keyboard to invert the selection. Then import a orange slice image. Then first adjust the size. And then click on hold Ctrl in the keyboard and then adjust it with the lemon. Then select the layer mask of the upper orange layer, keep the background color black and foreground color white, and then paint over this area to restore the transparent effect from this part. At the end, select the orange slice layer and create a levels adjustment layer. Then adjust the levels and then adjust the slice color with orange to make it more realistic. You can also do this with hue saturation adjustment layer. At the end, export your image. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching this video.